Hubble Space Telescope would contain a wide-field and planetary camera, a high-resolution spectrograph, high-speed photometer, a faint object camera and spectrograph, all capable of beaming real-time data back to Earth for analysis by scientists, and all contained within a spacecraft as large as a school bus and weighing more than 12 tons. Hubble's journey finally began on April 24, 1990, at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, aboard Space Shuttle Discovery.
Roll program.
After a shuddering, bone-jarring launch, Hubble and its precision instruments was gingerly placed into orbit.
I remember the crew talked for months leading up to the flight about what the significance of the flight was going to be. There was a lot of conversation back then among the scientific community about the Big Bang Theory, and there were those who believed that Hubble would provide all the answers. Among the crew members, we thought that Hubble would provide lots of answers, but that it was probably going to revolutionize the field of astronomy and astrophysics.
Almost every new observation, Hubble was rewriting the science books and raising new questions for astronomers. Over time, NASA would send 4 more shuttle crews to service and upgrade the Hubble Space Telescope. In May 2009, STS-125 and its Space Shuttle Atlantis crew performed the 5th and final servicing mission. Upgrades, repairs, and new equipment would give Hubble a new lease on life.
Hubble really is an amazing example of the way people and robotics works together in space. Hubble is up there without people operating it in space every day, taking these great observations, and yet it benefits from having people come to it and inject new technology. So it's not a 20-year-old telescope, it's got brand new technology.
Hubble has given us new insights about how stars die and how they are born. Hubble's discovery of a supermassive black hole in the center of galaxy M84 has led astronomers to conclude that an immense black hole is at the center of most galaxies.
What we did was we put the spectrographic slit of this instrument down right on the core of this elliptical galaxy M84. So what we're looking for is the signature of a black hole. What happens there? What happens in that environment? Well, usually what happens is there's a ring of gas in a very tight orbit around that black hole. And that ring of gas is rotating very, very quickly, of course, because the black hole mass is huge.
Hubble's last servicing mission marks the telescope's new beginning. More powerful than ever, it will lead our exploration of the cosmos for several years to come.
to come to the end of that time and release Hubble and think, everything we came to do got done, made me feel really proud about the whole team, the way we'd worked together. Hopeful for the future with Hubble that everything we'd done actually worked and when they checked it out. And just thinking about what Hubble could do now that we'd given it a new lease on life. It was very rewarding.
That 100 years from now, history will remember. Hubble is certainly one of them.
The Hubble touches people not only for the science, but it touches people for its aesthetics and its beauty. And the people that choose what to study have done the right thing. They've done an extraordinary job of not only getting great science, but also the beauty of the universe.
400 years from now, they'll look back and they'll say, well, the Hubble really did change the way we see the universe.
I think the scientific legacy is that textbooks have been rewritten because of Hubble. I think the fact that we didn't know 20 years ago about black holes or exosolar planets or galaxy evolution, dark energy, we didn't know we could measure dark matter. I mean, we're at a point in our history where we have now discovered we only understand 4% of the universe. The rest of it is completely unknown.
The Hubble telescope has made a remarkable journey from imagination to reality. It has not only transformed the way we view the universe, but also fundamentally changed how we view ourselves, our place in the ever-expanding cosmos, and the never-ending journey before us.